Bon Appetit freaks, we are back. We are at Crepe Creations, Las Vegas, Nevada. Man, I am so excited. When we pulled up, it was like 10 people waiting in line already for this place. It's early o'clock in the morning. It's about 7, 8 o'clock. And these people in line are ready for this great food. So we about to go find out what the hype is about. Come on, let's go. Crepe Expectations. So we got I forgot what we got. Might need to find the receipt. This is the Berry Delight, and this is the Nutty Classic. That's the name of the Nutty Classic. So I'm gonna go with the Berry Delight first. This coffee banging, by the way. This is a vanilla latte, and I got it chilled because I like cold coffee. So you know what? Probably like in a year or two, we probably might do like a Europe tour, and I would love to really be able to compare the food that's in America versus the food that it originated from. Like, I know this is from France, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, somebody tell me. Man, those fruits taste so fresh. That was good. So I was right. Crepes originated in Brittany, France. Google comes in handy. You know me, I like syrup, so I poured some syrup on there. But the fruit by itself, it is very, very fresh. And you'll see in the video that it's made fresh in front of you if you wanted to watch them make it. The whipped cream is on point too. So we're gonna move on to the Nutty Classic. I might need more syrup because I am a big syrup guy. So that's what we got right here. The Nutty Creation. They got nuts on it. They got pecans. They got nutmeg in the middle. Did I say that right? Nutmeg? Nutella. You know, I don't know what I be talking about. I just love food. So if you love food just like I love food, drop me a thumbs up in the comment. That nutmeg, boy. Woo. Whatever it is, Nutella. So they give you the option to eat on the inside or to eat on the outside. So we're eating on the inside because it is 8 o'clock in the morning and it's 91 degrees. So it's hot as heck outside. We're gonna sit in the cool AC and enjoy our crepe creation from Crepe Expectations. And you just keep watching. This is actually a Bon Appetit first. Because we've never recorded any crepe videos, any crepe places, anything. Really, this is like the first one I've ever seen that just focuses on crepes. So if you know any in your area, in the Vegas area, in any area, just leave a comment down below and let us know. We might pop up and try it out. But this fruit is just so fresh. Like even when we was ordering our food, we seen the manager bringing the fresh fruits in from the local gardens or whatever. I'm not sure from where, but it wasn't in the traditional packaging. But yeah, this fruit is very fresh. It doesn't matter if you got a sweet tooth or not. They make like regular other hot crepes with like different meats and stuff in there. I guess you could call it a lunch crepe. I don't know the professional term for it, but I got the fruits, the breakfast crepe, and these were pretty good. These were pretty filling. It was a large size portion. I like it. I really did like it. It's something different. Like I've eaten crepes from like IHOP and stuff like that years ago, but this is different. The environment is pretty cool. The manager was real funny. And the price for all of this was like really good. And I gave a tip too. I gave a very generous tip. It was like $23 for all of this. So if you want a real good cheap meal, it's really good. The taste is really good. Affordable. This is one of those affordable hacks. You should come here for breakfast or lunch. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with all the videos that we're dropping every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. Leave a message in the chat, in the comment section, letting us know if you want us to drop more videos. Let us know which places you want us to do videos on. Some place that you've been scared to try out, I try it out for you. So you won't feel compelled to waste your money or like, damn, I shouldn't have wasted my money. Anyways, make sure you share this video though. So when you're in the Vegas area, you come out here to Crepe Expectations.